Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Everyday Homeschooling. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to remove Google account. So at first, you need to press the app, which is Gmail, and then enter to the logo of yours, and then enter to manage accounts on this device, and then press Google. And then click to your account's Gmail, as you can see here, and then click to more, and then remove account. And then as you can see here, some advices, and just continue if you want to delete. So I'm continuing, and I am quite sure that I'm deleting it, so press OK. Now I'm giving my pattern, and as you can see here, my account is deleted.